This is Yasipin. I'm going to talk about CALMAT Business 585 Taxation class homework for Chapter 7 and Chapter 8. The question for Chapter 7 is for Mr. Baidu. He bought some qualified small business stock a few years ago for a total about $3 million. And he sold it for $15 million this year. How should he report the gain or loss? The answer is, if he held the stock for more than 5 years, he's going to have 50% of the $12 million gain excluded. And that would be $6 million capital gain liability. And you can assume that 15% capital gain tax bracket. If he held it less than 5 years, then he had to pay $12 million long-term gain for his stock. The question for Chapter 8 is tax-deferred property exchange question. Mrs. Honda transferred a property valued at $200,000 to Honda Corporation in exchange for 90% of stock. Her basis is $150,000. Does Mrs. Honda recognize any gain or loss, and why? Because Mrs. Honda received property other than stock. It's 90% of stock for $180,000 and 10% assuming it's cash for $20,000. Mrs. Honda cannot elect Section 351 tax-deferred exchange. Therefore, Mrs. Honda realized a gain of $35,000 from the stock she received, and she recognized $20,000 cash for the boost she received.